Today I'm going to teach you all this. This is the chapter 1, first order partial differential equation, lecture 5. Today's topic is functional dependence. Okay, so let me start with it. Functional dependence. Okay, this is one of the example. Let v is equal to v of x comma y be a known function. So this is a known function of x and y, and let u is equal to u of x comma y be the function of v. So this is the function of v alone, that is not involving x and y explicitly, that is u is equal to h of v. So it is not involving what? X and y. So here where h is what? H is nothing but the arbitrary. Okay, let h belongs to c raised to power of 1, and in the previous lecture I have already given you all what is that c raised to power of 1. Okay, let us see. So on differentiating the above equation with respect to x and y, we get. So if we differentiate the above equation with respect to x and y, what we are going to get? So we have to differentiate the above equation with respect to x and y. Okay, with this x and y. Okay, so u of ux is equal to h dash of v. See what we are doing, we are differentiating this with respect to x and with respect to y. So ux is equal to h dash of v vx, u of y is equal to h dash of v into vy. So we have, what I have done over here, I have differentiated this with respect to x and y. Okay, this particular thing. Okay, so now let us see. On eliminating it h dash of v, so if I eliminate this h dash of v from these equations, we are going to get ux vy into vy minus uy into vx is equal to dou u comma v upon dou x comma y is equal to 0, which is a first order PDE for u. What is PDE? Partial differential equation. Note, hence if there is a functional relation between two functions u of x comma y and v of x comma y not involving x and y explicitly, then dou u comma v upon dou of x comma y is equal to 0. Remember this note, and with this I am done with today's lecture. Next lecture will be on Euler's equation for a homogeneous function. Okay, and thanks for watching.